So this is the place where I've just collected. Let's get to town and see what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ndunde. If you're new here, hello, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today is on Monday. Yesterday was the weekend, obviously. So I'm headed out, but I'm not going to town directly. I need to go get a consignment that got lost since November. Now is when we are being notified. Well, on Saturday was when I was notified that it's been found. Na iko na Chinese, like a Chinese guy, I think mwenye walikuwa wameconsolidate na yeye a Kenyan. Mzigo ilikuwa imechukuliwa na Chinese because there were some pending payments. So yeah, I'm headed there to see if, well, I was told I have one consignment there, a box. I think it's decor books. That's what I'm hoping it is, because I'm so sorry guys, I'm so truly sorry, because you never expect certain things to happen when you ship from China, but some things sometimes are inevitable. So I'm going there to track down that consignment, which is why right now it's 11:30. I was told to be there by 12, so I'm headed there right now. They said it's around Great Wall. Well, I do not live so far away from there. So yeah, I'm waiting for the guy. In fact, I'm supposed to call him, nijue kwenye amefika, and then I head out to town. I don't know how the day shall go, but this is business life, y'all. This is business. And so as I was saying, business life is sometimes very good, but sometimes that life, the hustle, when your goods do not arrive, it's stressful. And I've been seriously stressed since last year, because I was expecting this consignment by December like before 10th, but yeah, it's life happened. We are in Feb right now. It's the 20th. Is it the 20th? I believe so. So yeah, you can see sometimes goods will arrive exactly in 30 days, sometimes 28, but sometimes it may take even 2 months to get here. So yeah, and I just called him. He told me to wait for him for another hour. I'll not be around because I need to go do other things. So I'm going to get another consignment that also came in last week, and then head out to town. And yeah, let's see how that goes. So I'm gonna take you with me, because this happens to be a business vlog. So yeah, let's do that together. I hope you enjoy. If you do, please subscribe, share, comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't. Yeah, all right, let me catch you all kidogo. Let's go down and yeah, head out there. Also today I think it's kind of a coincidence, because I'm wearing very official. I have this black jumpsuit. Let me just show you kidogo, because it's giving office. Do you see? It's giving office. I have this jumpsuit that I also haven't worn this in forever, a very long time. I think I have 2 years that I haven't worn this, and I actually saw it in my wardrobe, and I was like, oh, this could make a look with this kasweta-ish. It's very warm. I got it from Italy last year, I believe, but I've worn it just once. So yeah, I'm headed up to town, and rubbers, because it's convenient. Yeah, it's convenient. I don't wear heels, so yeah, this is what we are going to do. I work with closed shoes nowadays, my Vans and Converse. That's what works for me as of now, and I don't want to wear sandals. So yeah, let's get to town. So this is the place where I've just collected. It's right here with my names on my number. So yeah, let's get to town and see what it is, because I honestly can't wait to open and see these scarves, because I made a very big order. These are about 500 scarves that have come in, and it's the silk type. So if you're looking for silk scarves, please come and get yourself one. I'll give you prices later on. Let me get to town and then yeah, share with you as I unbox everything, because yeah, I feel pretty content right now, because most of the orders that I made by January 5th, they are here already, all of them. So that's a good thing, right? Yeah, let's get to town. Here my heart almost dropped because I don't think I ordered this. So I was checking to see if it's also silk, because the quality that it was giving inside the paper wasn't silk, but immediately I opened, I saw it was silk, and my heart started pumping normally, or beating normally, but everything else was as perfectly as I had ordered them. So it wasn't such a big deal, because there are those who like the designs, the designer ish, and there are those who do not like designer, they just like plain like this. See, 100% silk. As I was editing, I noticed that I didn't add the prices or mention the prices. So the big ones go for 600 wholesale, and the smaller size go for 350 wholesale. But depending on the quantity, we can talk from there. But all in all, the size, the quality, and the quantity, and the designs, all perfectly as I had ordered, apart from a few pieces here and there, about 30 pieces that I didn't order, but that was okay. To me, that's okay. In business, that's how things sometimes are, especially if you're not dealing with the Chinese like one-on-one. Sometimes they will give you things that you totally didn't order, but again, they do clear their stock like that, giving people things that they do not want. or things that are excess to them, but they also give you at good prices that you will be able to sell when you get, or when they get to you. Now this part is very crucial. The reason why I'm scrubbing off my names and my number is because of city council. There's this one time my sister hadn't threw the box with her name and number on it, well, her business name and number on it, and city council tracked her down up to her shop, and she had to like really refuse that was her that threw away that box. She said someone stole it. Anyway, I hope you learn from me. So guys, as you've seen, these are all the stuffs that we've brought. They are a lot, about 500 pieces, so I need to count to make sure that everything is as I ordered. But there are some I see I didn't order, but it's okay. I hope zitauza. So there's two sizes, or there are two sizes. One is the big one, like the really big one. But first, as I said, I need to count all this. They were 536, I believe. So let me do that quickly and then show you the size and then end this video. After checking on the number and the pieces that came, now we have to remove every piece, or at least 2 pieces from each and every one of these, because they are packed as 10 pieces in one paper, so that you can display some, and so that you do not need to keep on climbing or removing like the whole packet of this each and every time a customer wants. So this part is also very important to note, as it also makes work easier for you when you have a customer there and then. So guys, let me show you all the size. So the big one, I'm looking for the prettiest. The one that I also want, because I want one, I think this one. Yeah. Looks pretty. They both have different packaging. So this one comes like this, 100% seal. Very nice. This is the size for this one. They haven't written the size yet, but it's the bigger one and the smaller one. So this is the other one that I want to show you. This one, the packaging is very light. It's lighter than the other one, but the quality is the same. So here it is. As you can see, it's pretty small, but not that small. It's good for your wigs. It's a head wrap. Not so small and not so big. So yeah, this, it's also 100% silk. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Let me show you everything. The shop looks very full with my joy. So here, so those are the scarves right there. We have more in the store, and the belts. The shop looks very full. And behind me there are more belts. Amazing. Hi, how are you? How are you? So we are about to display a few of this for the display. So guys, So guys, that's it for this video. If you have enjoyed, as usual, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Cheers.